Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with
Roro.Rainy.
And today I'm going to be doing a room redesigning video. So pretty much I'm gonna start by cleaning my room because it's a disaster. Hey guys, I look like a wreck right now, but I'm popping in to tell you that I'm not going to be showing the clips of my room cleaning because they took too long, so yeah. Then either tonight or tomorrow, it's Friday, so the weekend's finally here. I will be rearranging everything. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, hit that bell notification button to get notified every time that I post. At the end of the video, I will be asking the question of the day, so stay tuned for that, and without further ado, let's get on with the video.
So this is my room now.
And this is the after. It's still not perfect, but it's much better, and yeah. I am now going to begin moving my room around. So now I'm just gonna show you, actually. So my bed originally was here, there, and the head was over there. But then I just switched it, so now it's here, 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 and my head goes over there. So I'm very excited. This is how I've wanted my bed since yesterday, so I'm really happy that I got to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to take that table, get everything off of it, and move it over there. Okay, here's that. Okay, so now that my nightstand is over there, looking good. I don't know. What am I gonna do? I've come to the decision of putting it under my nightstand. Because, like, I don't know. I just want it to be right there. So, I'd rather it be right there than have to walk a while to go get it. You know? You know. I don't know. I need to figure out. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. I need to figure out if that's gonna fit. If my desk is gonna fit where I want it to go, and if not, then we're gonna have complications because I don't know where that's gonna go because it's not staying here. It's too cramped. But I want to put it like along this wall. I don't know. So I'm gonna actually measure this and see if it will fit. So I measured. My desk is that long, and there's enough room for it to go where I want. Woohoo! So now I'm gonna move that. Okay, so I ran into an issue. So under my desk I have this huge bin, and then over here I have just stored a lot of containers that need to be going into the trash, but I haven't done that yet. But I can't get the desk leg out without removing all those containers. So I'm gonna have to do even more work than I wanted to. Lovely. I got those all out. It was much easier than I expected it to be, so yay for me. But yeah, now I'm gonna actually move my desk. Okay. Look at that. I just kind of put everything onto my desk. I'm not putting it in a pattern right now or organizing it at all. I just put it somewhere. But yeah, now I'm done for the night because I'm tired. Actually, do I want that done? The struggle. I don't know. I'll figure it out tomorrow. I am actually done because I am actually very tired. So I'll continue this in the morning and I'll see you then. Okay, I'm back. I know I said that I was gonna be done, but I just realized these can go in that little crack. So I measured it and it said that this would fit. I hope that my measurements were accurate. Indeed they were. Woohoo! Okay, I'm officially done. I just needed something in that crack, so that fits perfectly. Okay, so I just woke up looking hot as ever, but I'm going to continue the moving process now because I want to do it. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do first. I think I'm going to start some laundry because that's happening and I'm really over it. But, yeah. I honestly have no idea what I'm going to do with certain things. But, like, whatever. I'll figure it out. Okay. Bam, and you can hear it in the background.
Proof.
So pretty much all of this is what I have left. So, yeah, there's a lot to do today. Not looking forward to it. I mean, whatever. It's gonna be fun, I guess, right? Okay, so, first, I think I'm going to get my beanbag chair out of here because usually it stays in the living room, but because we put up our Christmas tree, the Christmas tree kind of took its spot, so we always put it in here every Christmas, but I don't want it to be in here. It takes up too much space, so I'm gonna go put that out there. Okay, so like I said, I have no idea what I'm going to do next, but I kind of feel like I should move this one over there, but I already put something in there, so I don't know if it's gonna work out. So yeah, I don't know. Bam, bam. Oh, because I have no idea where else I could put it, but I already have plans for the bigger one. So yeah, that's fun. I don't know. We'll see. Decisions are hard. So, I think that I'm gonna move the bigger one right now so that I have something else done so that I feel better about that. Yeah. Okay, so I just did a lot of stuff, and yeah, so now I'm thinking, and I am going to put the teal one there, put those under the desk, and then move on from there. Okay, so now that is in there. I don't think it's ever going to be able to come out, but that's fine. Oh, I actually forgot to push this in here. Okay, so now that's in there, and then my chair has a perfect little spot to go right there. So yeah, my hole puncher, yes. All right, now I'm just gonna move like basic stuff around, and then I'll show you the final product. Hey guys, I think that I am for the most part done, finally. Actually, hold on. Okay, it's time to do the final reveal. Now listen, before I do this, I still do need to organize some stuff, and I just put stuff in piles when I didn't know where to put it, because I just did this, okay? So, yeah, but other than those piles, I'm done, and I'm so happy with this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna give you like a brief thing. So my closet, I didn't change anything in here except I put my laundry bin in there instead. I moved my bed that way. I put this nightstand here. I set up all the stuff that I would need. Also, I'm going to a parade today. That will be another video if you want to go watch that. It'll be up after this one probably. Then once you walk in, you see this. It's very messy because I need to go through these, but yeah. Then I didn't change anything on this bookshelf except for moving it over. I didn't change anything over here except for moving this over. Oh, sorry. So that I could put this here, and that's looking cute. I have the curtains still. I moved this over here. That's another pile that I need to take care of, and it also has slime in there, the massive one from my slime smoothie video that I need to get a new cover thing on, so that's why it's out. Then my desk, I moved it over here, and my chair has a perfect little spot next to the doll bin thing. And then I have this little organizer, and yeah, that's my whole room. Look at how much space I have. There's so much space. Oh, actually, I need to put my Big Joe chair. It's gonna go right here. I've decided that I want it to be my room. Okay, so that's where I want it. Looks a little more cramped in there now, but I wanted it to be here. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. I'm so happy with the final result. And I can't wait to sleep in here tonight and know that everything's organized-ish and in the spots that I want it. It's great. So yeah. Thanks for watching the video. I love you guys. Mwah!